Now number 6 I have written here. If in an economy MPC 0.8 investment increases by rupees 1000 crores, calculate the total increase in income. Another type of numerical, very important. So first here we have the information. MPC 0.8, MPC 0.8 investment increases by. When it is written investment increases by, this means delta I. Investment increases by, the meaning of this line delta I. So delta I rupees 1000. Calculate the total increase in income. So total increase in income, this means delta Y. Delta Y. So here we have to find out delta Y. MPC 0.8, delta I 1000 crores, delta Y we have to find out. So in investment multiplier portion, I told you that the formula K is a multiplier. So K delta Y by delta I equal 1 by 1 minus MPC or 1 by MPS. So I explained before this in what way K equal delta Y by delta I or 1 by 1 minus MPC or 1 by MPS. So this formula applied here. So now from this situation we have delta I. So delta Y we have to find out. So this formula will be applied here. So first of all you have to find out the multiplier. So in what way you can find out multiplier? So you write here K equal 1 by 1 minus MPC, because we have the value of MPC. So write here K equal 1 by 1 minus MPC. K means multiplier. So now next 1 by 1 minus 0.8. Next 1 by 0.2. So the value, K value will be 5 times. K means multiplier. So this is the 5 times. Now you write the formula here. K equal delta Y by delta I. So the value of K is 5 times. Write here 5 equal delta Y. We do not know. So you write here delta Y and delta I. Delta I 1000 crores. So rupees 5000 crores. So the answer will be 5000 crores. 5000 crores. So this is another type of numerical. In what way? Investment in multiplier value. Always multiplier value calculated by K equal to 1 by 1 minus MPS or 1 by MPS. So here MPC given. So I have written here 1 by 1 minus MPC. If the value of MPS given here, so you write here K equal 1 by MPS. So in this way you have to calculate the multiplier. So now next I am going to write another type of numerical.